Last video we discussed about Azure networking, and this video also we discuss about Azure networking. Remaining part. Uh, First, sixth one, Azure Firewall. It is managed stateful firewall with high availability. Features centralized security, application and network rules, threat intelligence. Next one, Azure Load Balancer. It works on layer 4, works at TCP and UDP level. Internal load balancer as well as public load balancer used for VMI availability, back and pool distribution. Next one is related to application gateway. So it works on layer 7, works at HTTP, HTTPS level. Key features SSL, TLS termination, SSL offloading, web application firewall, WAF, URL based routing. So next one is Azure Front Door. It is a global load balancer for web apps, any cost routing, CDN plus WAF, multi-region failover. So VNet peering. So connect two VNets privately, same or different regions. Low latency, no public internet required. VPN Gateway. Encrypted tunnel over the internet. Types site-to-site VPN, point-to-site VPN, VNet to VNet. ExpressRoute. Private dedicated connection to Azure. High bandwidth, low latency, enterprise grade. Next one is Azure DNS. Public DNS zones, private DNS zones for VNets. Example, app internal.azure. So Azure DNS is for Azure network. So if we have any custom DNS, we can configure the custom DNS. User defined routes, UDR. Custom routing tables. So these are used for force traffic via firewall. Control next hop routing. So what force traffic, like so traffic should be go through firewall, then we can configure custom routes, and we can route through firewall. Control next hop routing. So next hop also we can mention. So where it where network traffic travel through. So that way we can configure user defined routes. NAT gateway provides outbound internet connectivity, static outbound IP, highly scalable, used with subnets. So NAT gateway, outbound internet connectivity. So NAT, we discussed about NAT, right? So it it combines multiple private IPs to one public IP. So no need to give private public IP for all private IPs. So multiple private IPs can link with one public IP. So that way NAT works. Okay, static outbound IP. So outbound IP static on public IP will be there, and so that will manage everything. Highly scalable. It can be extended. Yeah, it can be scalable and scale up, scale down. We can configure on this. Used with subnets. Yeah, it works with subnets. Network watcher. Azure built-in network diagnostic tool. Azure's built-in network diagnostic tool features IP flow verify, NSG diagnostics, connection troubleshoot, packet capture. So network watcher, so IP flow verification will do, NSG diagnostics will do, and connection troubleshoot also, packet capture. So by using network watcher, we can do all these things. So this is Azure built-in network diagnostic tool. Typical Azure network architecture down with DB subnet. And, in front of that, app subnet will be there. In front of that, web subnet, load balancer, application gateway, Azure front door, internet, like this. So Azure networking interview keywords. We have to know about VNet and subnet, NSG versus firewall, load balancer versus application gateway, VPN versus ExpressRoute, VNet peering, UDR and NAT gateway. So these all we have to remember when we are facing interviews. Thank you.